Very, very real. I mean, you know me, Nitai. Who am I without gardening? I'm nobody.
That's deep. That's what people talk about on social media, right?
That's right.
Let's talk to this new person here, Elijah. So, if you were a plant in this garden, what would you be?
A bird's eye chili,
Why a bird's eye chili?
because I like spicy food.
Oh, that's good. Spicy food. We do want that. Hey, Jasmine. This is Jasmine here. I know you're very experienced in gardening, so.
I definitely am not.
I enjoy being out in nature, enjoy being outside with my good friends, and I enjoy Food for Lives. It's holistically great.
I wanted to start volunteering, but also just find an opportunity that I would like. Not the best at gardening, but I think this is something I could get into.
Yeah. That's really good. It's
Yeah.
inspiring. Hope you inspire other people to do the same.
I
What's
just
up,
like
Juan?
to act and help others. So,
There you go,
yeah,
wonderful.
I just like to work hard, and if it's for a good purpose, then even better.
Nice.
Thanks, Nitai.
Good work.
I feel exhausted, but so satisfied. In this world, many times we look for happiness and are afraid of sadness. We are wired to seek that stimulation, that kick. But the real joy, the simple joy, is in being with people, connecting and finding satisfaction. This feeling of peace with Mother Earth and the divine is beyond what you can ever experience. So see you next time.
You love this gardening work?
I live for this. I don't know what I would do if I couldn't garden.
Yeah, that's very natural and authentic. It sounds real.
That's right.
That's what you want. Those kind of sound bites.
I'm just here to serve, Nitai.
Let's serve the world. Let's serve. Cinematic pan across the garden. That looks good. Yeah. Getting ready here with some starting mix and some flowers to plant, growing lights, radish, okra, cilantro, and look what we got here. Let me show you. Look at, oh, that's very bright, very bright. Like a big full load of compost, free compost, black gold.